Hello, guys, and welcome to Networking's IT Solution, where we provide training for anything networking, cloud, and DevOps. And what we basically want to do at this time is to install Vagrant, which is a tool that can help us to simulate and carry out cloud virtualization, ensuring that we are able to have a lab environment set up for um, DevOps and cloud knowledge. So, what are we going to do first? We need to first ensure that we have VirtualBox installed, and then we're going to install Vagrant itself. But before we do that, we need to clean up our system. So, what do we need to do? I just need the Windows and Windows plus the R key, and we type in appwiz .cpl. This should take us to our control, our programs and features. And so what I basically want to do here is to uninstall VirtualBox because we want to start afresh and want to be sure that we have a very fresh installation. So we are preparing to remove that. When we uninstall VirtualBox, we are also going to uninstall Vagrant because I've had VirtualBox actually installed initially on this system, and I've done some, I've created some VMs using Vagrant, but we're going to have to have a proper cleanup because some people might have challenges doing that. So we'll be starting from the scratch. So while that is going on, just give it some time. So please wait while Windows configure Oracle VirtualBox, gathering required information. So it's still going to go through the process like we are doing a fresh installation. So we can confirm that Vagrant is getting uninstalled. Time remaining. So gradually we should get it sorted in a jiffy. Okay. So we can confirm that Vagrant is getting uninstalled. Just have to give it some time because there are so many servers that I've actually installed on the system. So all of these are going to get destroyed one after the other. Now we've gotten a pop-up. You must restart your system for configuration changes made to Vagrant to take effect. Click yes to restart now, or no if you plan to manually restart later. No, because I want to manually restart later. So what I'm going to do now is the video is going to be in two parts. We'll see that we've uninstalled both VirtualBox and the Vagrant. Then we'll reboot our system, and then we'll see that there is no VirtualBox, there is no Vagrant thereafter. Thank you. Back, and we're going to continue from where we stopped. And so now we want to check running the apwiz.cpl again. Now we've rebooted the system, and then want to confirm that we do not have VirtualBox anymore. So we can simply just search here and say VirtualBox. So nothing like VirtualBox again, because we're going to be starting the installation afresh, and then we can confirm that Vagrant is also no longer installed on this system. So with this, we can confirm that we are good to go in our installation. So the first thing we need to do is to visit the VirtualBox website. So simply put, https://virtualbox.org download. So go to the website, get for Windows. I have a Windows VM. So we are downloading, obviously we're going to be downloading the latest version, which is 7.2.2. So check this is going to be dependent on the speed of our internet. Almost there now. We can as well download the VirtualBox extension pack, which gives us some things. So now that our VirtualBox is almost downloaded, open this. So yes, installer, VirtualBox installer. So we have the installer here. Welcome to VirtualBox. We just follow it next. We accept the terms. Install. Next, during the installation, your network will be disconnected. Ensure any operation are completed. Yes, we continue that. Just follow it and then we'll install. So installation is going on. So installation is finished. Now we can go on to download Vagrants by visiting the site as well. It's developed by ashicorps.com and https developer.ashicorps.com. So we have for Mac, we have for Windows, and I am using Windows. So we need to confirm the version of our Windows. So our Vagrant is getting downloaded. Like I said, this is dependent on the speed of our internet. Now we should be able to see VirtualBox now that we have, if we refresh, because we have VirtualBox already. So fantastic. We can see VirtualBox 2.2, 7.2.2 version. So then all things being equal, our Vagrant should be up. So all we want us to do, all we just wanted to do is to get VirtualBox installed and get, so let's run this as administrator. Okay, preparing to install. Okay, we accept the license, then we install. So this might take some time. So it's taking some setup. Let's just follow. Validating install. Updating, narrating script operations. After installation, we should be able to program some files. We should be able to see Vagrant here now. Still installing. Data component registration. So copying files. Okay, so finish. Click the finish button. We are asked that you must restart your system for the configuration changes made to Vagrant to take effect. So we can say yes, but if we say yes, our system will go off, which is fine. But after this, we can confirm. But if I even do no, we can do it manually later on. And if I come to my programs and file and refresh here, we'll see Vagrant is already now installed. So this completes, and I can confirm as well Vagrant installation by just opening my command prompt. I can use PowerShell. Maybe we should use PowerShell. That should do a good one for us. So I can bring up my PowerShell and check for Vagrant to be sure is installed by doing Vagrant version to confirm the version of Vagrant that we have installed. So if we can't see it now, it's possible we might need to reboot our system for us, but we could see that we have Vagrant 2.4.9 installed. So with this, we have our VirtualBox already installed, virtualization enabled on our system, our Vagrant is also enabled. Thank you so much and do have a wonderful evening.